न चोरहार्यम न च राजहार्यम न भ्रातृभाज्यम न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धते नित्यम विद्याधनम सर्वधन pradhanam. It cannot be stolen by thieves, nor can it be taken away by the kings. It cannot be divided. It doesn't have a weight. If spent regularly, it always keeps growing. The wealth of knowledge is the most superior wealth of all. Saluting the power of these old invaluable words that deeply emphasize the immense potential of knowledge and the endless opportunities that it opens, I, Dr. Yashna Sharma, on behalf of the entire fraternity of the Delhi Technological University, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day and welcome you to DTU's Research and Innovation Excellence Awards Function 2024. The Research and Innovation Excellence Awards are awarded annually at our university as a part of its strategic initiative to incentivize scholarly pursuits and recognize the outstanding contributions of the faculty and the students. These awards are a testament to the thriving research environment that our university has cultivated over the years. It is really a blessing for all of us to be celebrating this awards function on this pious occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, as we award the researchers and innovators of the Delhi Technological University, we are also reminded of the profound impact that educators have on shaping minds and guiding futures. To initiate today's awards function, may I please request the honorable dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamps that symbolize knowledge and enlightenment. Ya kundendu tushar har dhawala ya shubhra vastravrita ya veena varadanda mandrita kara ya shweta padmasana. We would now like to extend a floral welcome to our chief guest for the day, Professor Prem Vrat, Pro-Chancellor, Professor of Eminence and Chief Mentor, the North Cap University, Gurugram. We thank you, sir, for your kind presence with us today. We are also honored to have with us on the dais Professor Prateek Sharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Delhi Technological University, Professor Madhusudan Singh, Registrar, DTU, Professor S. Sindhu, Dean, Student Welfare, DTU, Professor Rinku Sharma, Dean Academics, Postgraduate Studies, DTU, Professor Anil Kumar Sahu, Dean, IRD, DTU, and Professor Roli Purwar, Associate Dean, IRD, DTU. We also welcome all the former faculty members of our university who have been very kind to have joined us today. Your contributions to the growth of this university can never be forgotten by us, and we are all forever indebted to you. We are blessed to have with us today Professor Enel Sachdev and Professor Goldar. Once again, we welcome you, sir. Thank you for joining us today. May I now request Professor Anil Kumar Sahu, Dean IRD, DTU, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. On behalf of Delhi Technological University, it is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Research and Innovation Excellence Award 2024. This occasion is particularly special as it coincides with Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the invaluable contributions of educators across our nation. As we celebrate the spirit of innovation and excellence in research, we also pay tribute to the teachers who have been the guiding lights in our journey of knowledge and discovery. I am especially honored to welcome our distinguished chief guest, Professor Prem Vrat, Pro-Chancellor, Professor of Eminence and Chief Mentor, the North Cap University, Gurugram. Professor Vrat's illustrious career spanning over 5 decades is marked by exceptional achievements in academia and research. His contribution to industrial engineering and system management are unparalleled, and his dedication to nurturing young minds continues to inspire generation of engineers and researchers. It is truly an honor to have you with us today, sir. As you were the chief guest when this award function was first initiated, now as we rebrand it from the Research Excellence Award to the Research and Innovation Excellence Award, your presence underscores the enduring legacy of your influence in fostering academic excellence and innovation. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Prateek Sharma, sir, whose visionary leadership has steered DTU towards a new heights of academic excellence and research innovation. Sir, under your guidance, DTU continues to make strides in fostering a culture of creativity and critical thinking amongst our students and faculty. A special welcome to Professor Madhusudan Singh, who is a registrar, whose efforts ensure the smooth functioning of our institution and its various initiatives. I also extend my sincere welcome to Professor S. Indu, Dean of Student Welfare, whose efforts in ensuring the well-being and holistic development of our students are deeply valued. Your role in creating a nurturing environment for our students is pivotal to their success. I am also delighted to welcome Professor Rinku Sharma, Dean of Postgraduate Studies, whose dedication to enhancing our postgraduate program has significantly contributed to the growth of advanced research at DTU. Your leadership has been instrumental in evaluating the quality of our academic offering. I am also delighted to welcome Professor Roli Purwar, Associate Dean of IRD, who has been the backbone of today's event, managing everything from application invitation to final execution with exceptional dedication. Her hard work and efficiency have been crucial in making this function a resounding success. Further, I am pleased to warmly welcome our esteemed deans of the dais, head of the departments, faculty members, officers, researchers, and students. I also welcome the members of press and media. I congratulate the awardee. Your unwavering dedication, tireless effort, and passion for innovation have united us here today to celebrate excellence in research. Each award presented is a testament to your relentless pursuit of knowledge and your drive to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we gather today, it is essential to reflect on the history and evolution of these prestigious awards. The Research Excellence Award were the brainchild of our former Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Yogesh Singh sir, who first instituted them in 2017 to encourage and promote a vibrant research culture amongst students and faculty members across all disciplines of the university. This initiative was further nurtured and continued by subsequent Vice Chancellor, Professor J.P. Saini, ensuring that the legacy of recognizing and celebrating individual excellence in quality research publication thrives at DTU. These awards celebrate individual excellence in quality research publication, recognizing outstanding work through the three categories: the Outstanding Research Award, the Premium Research Award, and Commendable Research Award. The Outstanding Research Award is accompanied by cash prize of 5 lakhs and a certificate of merit, recognizing papers published in top-tier journals such as Nature, Science, and Harvard Business Review. The Premium Research Award comes with a cash prize of 1 lakh and certificate of merit awarded to publications in high-impact journals such as IEEE Transaction and publications from other prestigious societies. The Commendable Research Award offers a cash prize of 50,000 and a certificate of merit acknowledging papers published in the reputable journal with an impact factor of at least 1, including those from publishers like Springer, Elsevier, and Cambridge University Press. In 2021, we introduced the Citation Awards to honor researchers whose work has gained significant attention from the global scientific community. These awards include 3 categories: Cumulative Citation Awards, Platinum, Gold, and Silver, Highly Cited Paper Award, and the Yearly Citation Award, which includes the Early Research Impact and Influence Award. The cumulative citation award was awarded in the platinum, gold, and silver categories, with a platinum category requiring over 5,000 cumulative citation or 10% of the university's total citation. The recipients of these awards are recognized with lifetime achievement certificates. The highly cited paper award is granted annually to individual papers that have received citations more than twice of H index of the DTU. This award highlights the exceptional influence of these publications within the global research community. The yearly citation award, including early research impact and influence award, is given to the researchers whose work has granted over 200 citations within a specific citation years. This year, 2024, marks another milestone with the introduction of Innovation Research Awards. These awards recognize and reward DTU inventors for their granted patent, celebrating their contributions to global innovation. Each award comes with a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh as a token of appreciation for their groundbreaking work. As we honor today's awardees, let us also remember the wisdom of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who said, "The true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves." On this Teachers' Day, we celebrate not only the achievements of our researchers, but also mentors who have guided them on their path to success. Once again, I welcome all to this momentous occasion. Let us celebrate the remarkable achievements of our DTU family and continue to strive for excellence in all the endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I would now like to request the honorable dignitaries on the dais to release the Research and Innovation Excellence Awards booklet, which has a record of the various research and innovation achievements of the Delhi Technological University for the last year. As Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir said, on today's occasion of Teachers' Day and in the presence of our honorable dignitaries, DTU is launching its DTU podcast series named NG Tales, with an objective to have interactions with distinguished teachers, accomplished alumni, and people who have played significant roles in the growth of this university. May I please request DTU Studio to play the documentary for the launch of the podcast.
I'm very happy to share with all of you that this Teachers' Day, 5th September, we are launching DTU podcast series, and this series has been conceived with an idea to provide a platform to all our distinguished teachers and distinguished alumni who have contributed towards the growth and development of this great institution, which is DTU. The idea behind starting this podcast series is to make available to large audience who have been associated with DTU either as a student or as teachers or even employers or in any form people who have been associated with DTU, to provide them an opportunity through this platform, experience sharing by people who have immensely contributed towards the growth of this institution, which essentially include our revered teachers, distinguished alumni, and others who have contributed in different ways in making this institution a great institution. The audience will get an opportunity to enrich themselves and get inspired to do substantially towards the society in general and towards DTU in particular. The DTU podcast series shall be available on DTU Studio YouTube channel, and I do hope that everybody who watches shall get benefited from these podcast series.
और मैं इस दौरान जिस वक्त ये बात हो रही थी, आई वाज द वार्डन ऑफ द हॉस्टल दिल्ली कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम सबसे से समझ में आते थे कश्मीरी गेट में हॉस्टल वार्डन विद स्टूडेंट्स एंड बस अड्डा राइट अराउंड क्या होता है, कैसे क्या रहता है, सब मेरे को पता है.
As we commemorate Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the invaluable contributions of educators across the nation, we are delighted to present the Research and Innovation Awards of the university. The Research Excellence and Citation Awards have long been a hallmark of DTU's recognition efforts, celebrating the outstanding work of our faculty and researchers. As Professor Shahu said, from this year onwards, DTU is proud to have introduced an additional category of awards, the Innovation Awards, which shall honor DTU's inventors whose pioneering work has been recognized with patents. For the presentation of the awards, may I now request the honorable dignitaries on the dais to come forward to bestow the Research and Innovation Awards in various categories. The first category of awards is the Cumulative Citation Awards, which are awarded for exemplary number of citations to the researchers of the university. And the first recipient in this category of awards, the Cumulative Citation Award for the Platinum category, is being awarded to Professor Anil Kumar from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. He is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, the Premier Research Award for 2 of his publications, and he is also receiving Commendable Research Award for multiple publications this year. In the next category, the Cumulative Citation Awards Gold category, we have the first awardee, Professor Dinesh Kumar Vishwakarma from the Department of Information Technology. He is also receiving the Highly Cited Paper Award along with the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, Premier Research Award for 2 of his publications, and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient in the same category is Professor Ruchika Malhotra from the Department of Software Engineering. She is receiving the Cumulative Citation Award in the Gold category. She is also being given the Yearly Citation Award in the Early Research Impact and Influence and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. In the Cumulative Citation Award in the Silver category, the first recipient is Professor Roli Purwar from the Department of Applied Chemistry. She is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, along with Commendable Research Award. The next recipient in this category is Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta from the Department of Applied Physics. Along with the Cumulative Citation Award in the Silver category, is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, the Commendable Research Award for multiple publications, and we are happy to share that he is receiving the Innovation Award for 2 patents, System and Method for Detecting Trivalent Metal Ions and Probe for the Detection of Ferric Iron in Aqueous Environments and Methods thereof. The next recipient is Professor Rahul Kataria from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. He is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award in the Early Research Impact and Influence. He is also being awarded the Premier Research Award for his publication and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor Virendra Ranga from the Department of Information Technology. Along with the Cumulative Citation Award, he is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor Qasim Murtaza from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Along with the Cumulative Citation Award, he has also received the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor S.K. Garg from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Along with the Cumulative Citation Award, he is also receiving the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, and he is also being awarded the Commendable Research Award. For the next category of awards, which are the Yearly Citation Awards for Early Research Impact and Influence, we have Professor A. Srinivas Rao from the Department of Applied Physics. He is also receiving Commendable Research Award for multiple publications this year. The next recipient is Dr. M. Jayasimadri from the Department of Applied Physics. Along with the Yearly Citation Award, he is also receiving Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor Rishu Chaudhar from the Department of Applied Physics. In addition to the Yearly Citation Award, she is also receiving the Premier Research Award for her publication and Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Dr. Navneeta Bhardwaj from the Department of Biotechnology. Along with the Yearly Citation Award, she is also being given the Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor D. Kumar from the Department of Applied Chemistry. Along with the Yearly Citation Award for Early Research Impact and Influence, he is also being given the Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor Raju Sarkar from the Department of Civil Engineering. In addition to the Citation Award, he is also being given the Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next awardee is Professor Saurabh Agarwal from the Delhi School of Management, who along with this award is also being given the Commendable Research Award this year. The next awardee is Dr. Manjeet Kumar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, who's also being given, in addition to the Citation Award, Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient is Professor O.P. Verma from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Along with this Citation Award, he is also being given the Commendable Research Award. The next awardee is Professor Anil Kumar Haritash from the Department of Environmental Engineering. Along with the Yearly Citation Award, he is also being awarded the Commendable Research Award for multiple publications. The next recipient for the Yearly Citation Award is Professor Praveen Kumar from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Let's keep that applause going. We will move towards the Innovation Research Awards for 2024. Some of the awardees have already been awarded. The next awardee will be Dr. Pavan Kumar Tyagi from the Department of Applied Physics. for his patent on growth of diamond film using thermal CVD at atmospheric pressure. The next awardee is Dr. Divya Shikha Sethia from the Department of Software Engineering, who is being awarded the Innovation Award for her patent titled Portable Computing Device Based Secure Medical Records Management. To present the premier and commendable research awards for this morning, I would now request Dr. Chavi Dhiman to come and carry the award ceremony further.
Thanks, Dr. Yashna. Moving forward to the next category of Premier Research Award. From the Department of Applied Mathematics, we have the very first awardee, Shruti Agrawal. The co-authors are Anu Kumari, Dr. Satyabrata Adhikari. Next we have Dr. Trasha Gupta. Trasha Gupta is receiving the award for one paper. The co-authors are Professor Rajni Jindal and Professor S. Indu. Moving on to the Department of Applied Physics. Then in Applied Physics, we don't have the recipient. Then from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, next awardee is Dr. Sanjay Kumar. He is receiving the award for two papers. The co-authors are Akshay Kumar, B.S. Panda, Abhishek Malik. Moving on to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Ayush Dahiya as our awardee. The co-authors are Purnima Mittal and Professor Rajesh Rohila. Next we have Professor Purnima Mittal ma'am. She is being awarded the Premier Research Award for one paper and Commendable Research Award for 3 papers. The co-author are Dr. Bhavna Rawat. Moving to the Department of Electrical Engineering, we have for Commendable Research Award category, let's move with the Department of Applied Chemistry. We have our first recipient, Ms. Anvita Chaudhary. She's here. The co-author is Dr. Richa Srivastava. Then we have Ms. Bhamini Pandey. The co-author is Dr. Poonam Singh. Next we have Ms. Jigyasa Pathak. The co-author is Dr. Poonam Singh. Then we have next Dr. Manish Jain. The co-author is Javad Iqbal Arjun Tyagi. Next we have Dr. Minakshi Tanwar. The co-authors are Professor Rachna Rani and Rajendra K. Gupta. Next we have Professor R.K. Gupta. In place of that, Akshita Srivastava is there to receive the award. We have Dr. Ramendra Kaur. to receive the award for one paper, and the co-author is Pooja Singh. From the Department of Applied Physics, in absentia of Anjali Jain, we have Dr. Amrish K. Pawar, who is going to receive the award for one paper. The co-author is Pawan K. Tyagi. Then we have Miss Anisha. She is receiving the award for one paper, and the co-authors are Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta and N. Ohta. Next we have Miss Anu. She is receiving the award for two papers. The co-authors are Professor A.S. Rao, Professor A. Kumar, Ravina, and Diopa. Then we have next Mr. Ashok. The co-authors are Dr. Rajendra S. Dhaka and Dr. Vinod Singh. He is receiving the award for one paper. Then we have Dr. Bharti Singh. She is receiving the award for three papers. The co-authors are Vishal Singh, Shilpa Rana, Professor Mukhtiar Singh. Next we have Bhavya Kumar. He is receiving the award for two papers, and the co-authors are Megha Sharma, Professor Ishu Chauja. Moving on, we have next Professor Mukhtiar Singh, who is receiving the award for two papers. And the co-authors are Sangeeta and Rajesh Kumar. Next we have Neha Bhatt. She is receiving the award for one paper, and the co-author is Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta. Next we have Professor Nitin Kumar Puri sir, who is receiving the award for three papers, and the co-authors are Anmol Agrawal, Ashi Mittal, Nikita Jain, Sandeep Sarpal. Next we have Pawan Kumar Tyagi, Pooja Rohila, Miss Priyanka. She is receiving the award for three papers, and the co-authors are Professor Rinku Sharma and Dr. Manoj Kumar. Next we have Rahul Kundara. The co-author is Dr. Sarita Bagil. Bighel, yes. Next we have Miss Renuka Pakolia. She is receiving the award for one paper, and the co-author is Dr. Ankita Banwal. Then we have Dr. Richa Sharma for one paper. The co-author is Komal Verma. Then we have Professor Rinku Sharma, ma'am, to receive the commendable award for three papers. And the co-authors are Sakshi Arora, Yash Gupta, Pranay Khosla, Priyanka. Then we have next Sandeep Sharma, who is receiving the award for one paper, and the co-authors are Sumandeep Kaur, Professor A.S. Rao, Dr. Kamal Kishore. Then we have Sheetal Kumari. She is receiving the award for two papers, and the co-authors are Professor A.S. Rao and Professor R.K. Sinha. Next we have Professor Suresh C. Sharma, who is receiving the Commendable Research Award for three papers, and the co-authors are Jyoti, Dr. R.P. Sharma, Sagar Khanna, Kavita Sehgal, Harendra. Then we have Umang Berwal, who is receiving the award for one paper, and the co-authors are Dr. Vinod Singh, Professor Rinku Sharma, Ashok Kumar, Professor Pawan Kumar Kulriya. Then we have Professor Vinod Singh, who is receiving the award for 3 papers. Professor Vinod Singh. Before we move ahead, in the premier category, we would like to announce one more award for Professor Vijay Minocha from Civil Engineering. He has joined us now. Please, sir. Then we have Vishal Singh. The co-author is Dr. Bharti. Then we have next Yogita Kalra. In absentia of that, we have Dr. Kamal Kishore, who is going to receive the award on her behalf. Next, we have Aditya Kaushik from Applied Mathematics. Next is Dhirendra Kumar. Then we have Ms. Gunjan Jain. Next, we have Monica Chaudhary from the Department of Applied Mathematics. Next recipient, we have Neha Punitha. Then we have Radhika Kavra. Then we have Dr. Satyabhrata Adhikari. Then we have Simran Kaur. Then we have Tanya Malhotra as our next recipient of Commendable Research Award from Department of Applied Mathematics. Tanya Malhotra. Then we have Vinita Khatrividas from Applied Mathematics. Moving towards the Department of Biotechnology, we have Dr. Asmita Das, who is going to receive award for 3 papers. Then we have Miss Asmita Kumari. Next, we have Professor Jay Gopal Sharma, who is receiving the award for 2 papers. Next, we have Madhulika Singh, who is also receiving the award for 2 papers. Next recipient is Miss Megha Bansal, who is receiving the award for 1 paper. Then we have Miss Neha Tiwari. Oh, my mistake, she is absent. We have Miss Priya. Then we have Dr. Smita Rastogi Verma, who is receiving the award for 2 papers. Next, we have Professor Yasha Hasija, who is receiving the Commendable Research Award for 2 papers. We are going towards Civil Engineering Department. We have Archita Goel, who is receiving the award. Deepak Singh. We have Professor Shilpa Paul from Civil Engineering receiving the award for 1 paper. Next, we have Vijay Kaushik from Department of Civil Engineering receiving the Commendable Research Award. Moving on to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering now, we have Ms. Astha Maheshwari, who is receiving award for 1 paper. Mr. Ankur. Okay. We have Professor Anil Singh Parihar sir, who is receiving the award, Commendable Research Award for 2 papers. Then we have Mr. Ankur. Next we have Dr. Aruna Bhatt. Mr. Deepak Kumar Mishra, receiving the award for 1 paper. Then we have Ms. Diksha Chawla. Then we have Indu Singh. She is receiving the award for 2 papers in the commendable category. Then we have Jatin Sharma. Ms. Kriti Jain. Dr. Pawan Singh Mehra sir. Then we have Dr. Rajiv Kumar, who is receiving the award for 4 papers. Next we have Rajiv Kumar Mishra, who is receiving the award for 2 manuscripts. Rajiv Kumar Mishra. Next we have Rashmi Mishra. Then we have Ruchi Goel, receiving the award for 1 paper. Then we have Shanu Bhardwaj. Then we have Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who is receiving the award for 6 papers. Dr. Sanjay Kumar. So a big round of applause for everyone who is receiving the awards today in the house. Let's keep the spirit high. Dr. Sanjay Kumar. Next we have Dr. Shalendra Kumar, who is receiving the award for 1 paper. Then we have Tejna Khosla. Moving on to the Department of Humanities, we have Shweta Kumari. From Department of USME, we have Naval Garg. From Department of Software Engineering, we have Masood Masoodi, receiving the award for one paper. Electronics. Then we have Roshni Singh, receiving the award from Software Engineering. Roshni Singh is here. Rahul, Dr. Rahul from Software Engineering. Now I request Dr. Shilpa Pal to kindly name the awardees from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Thank you, Dr. Shavi. Next we have Akansha Srivastav, Asba Mahi. May we have a big round of applause for all the participants. Neha Garg, Chavi Dhimman, Sachin Taran, Professor S. Indu. After this, we have the Electrical Engineering Department. Request all the award recipients to please line up. Tanvika Garg and Dr. Yashna Sharma. May we have a big round of applause for all the recipients, please. After Electrical Engineering, I request Environmental Engineering recipients to please line up. I request Dr. Chavi to please take over for the Electrical Engineering Department.
For Department of Electrical Engineering, we have Alka Singh, who is going to receive the award in the absence of Amrendra Pandey. Then we have Anvesh Devratna Behra. Next we have Astitva from Electrical Engineering. Then we have Bandana. Next we have Kashika Baranwal. On behalf of Surya Kant, Professor Mini Srijit is here to receive the award. Moving on to the Department of Environmental Engineering, we have Dipali Goyal. Then we have Kulvendra Patil. Kanag Raj R. Kanag Raj R. from Environmental Engineering. Kulvendra Patil next. Then we have Nivedita Verma from Environmental Engineering. Shivani Yadav. Shivani Yadav from Environmental Engineering. Then we have Dr. Lavleen Gupta from Environmental Engineering, receiving the Commendable Research Award. Moving on to the Department of Information Technology, we have Ms. Akanksha Karotia, Abhishek Verma, Ma'am, she has just joined. Starting with information technology, we have Abhishek Verma, Akanksha Karotia, Ankit Yadav is here, Miss Nidhi, before moving ahead, we have one more recipient of Commendable Research Award, Professor D.R. Bhaskar from Electrical Engineering, who has joined us. Moving on to the Department of Mechanical Engineering next, we have Anant Bhardwaj, Ankit Sonthalia, Ashok Kumar Singh, then we have Ashok Kumar Sharma, Ashok Kumar Sharma from Mechanical Engineering. Then we have Deepak Kumar, Gaurav Kumar, Hari Shankar. Meanwhile, I request we have Hari Shankar from Mechanical Engineering, Khushbu Yadav from Mechanical Engineering, Madhukar Chimwal, Mohammad Ghulam Mustafa, Mohammad Ghulam Mustafa. Then we have Neelam Bighel, Neeraj Budraja, P.U. Jain, P.U. Jain is here. We have Mr. Nitin from Mechanical Engineering. Prem Shankar Yadav. Rashin Khera. Saket Kumar, Shankar Ram T, then we have Sharat Chandra Srivastava, S. Lal Hariyat Puya. Then we have Sunil Kumar Gupta. Suraj Bham. Then we have Professor R.S. Mishra, receiving the award for 2 papers. The co-authors for these 2 papers are Sumit Jain and Yunis Khan. Then we have Tayyab Khan. Now I request a few recipients of the awards joined us late. So I'm just calling their names to be ready to receive the award for their calls. Shikha Rana, Sweetie, Saurav Kumar, Priyanka Meena, Pooja Singh, Dr. Ritika Kuba. I hope you are here. Starting with applied chemistry, we have Shikha Rana in a sequence to receive the Commendable Research Award. Then we have Sweetie. Saurav Kumar, next. Ms. Priyanka Meena from Applied Chemistry. Ms. Pooja Singh. Dr. Ritika Kuba. After that, we have from Applied Mathematics. I request them to stay in sequence. Parul Chauhan. Saya Giri. Himanshi Lohit. Kartike Khatri. Anupama Garg, if I am not wrong. Anuma Garg. From Biotech, I request Anuradha, Harshita Singh and Rupal to stay in sequence. So from Applied Mathematics, we have Anuma Garg. Parul Chauhan. Soya Giri. Kartike Khatri. Himanshi Lohit. Moving towards Department of Biotechnology, we have Anuradha, Harshita Singh, Miss Rupal. Moving to the Department of Civil Engineering, we have Mohit Agrawal, N. Dinesh Kumar Reddy, Dr. Ritu Raj is here, receiving the award. I request all the awardees sitting in the audience to kindly keep applauding for all of us. Dr. Ritu Raj, M.K. Kalra. Next, from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, we have Pooja, Manisha Saini, Deepika Jain, Aditi Sharma, I think we all need a big round of applause for all the hard work we have paid, and today we are being awarded by the university in a row, right? So let's keep this spirit in the air with the applauses going on with every award. I request everyone to keep applauding. Starting with now Computer Science and Engineering, Pooja. Miss Pooja is here. Manisha Saini. Deepika Jain. Dr. Aditi Sharma. From Software Engineering we have. From Computer Science and Engineering there is Diksha Chawla also present here. Please come forward. Please. Then we have from Software Engineering Roshni. From Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering we have Anurag Chauhan, Sonal Singh, Palak Handa, Ishu Tomar, Shivani Yadav, Kavita Bhatt, Sneh Lata, they stay in sequence. We ordered no. About. From EC department we have next Ishu Tomar. Then we have Shivani Yadav, Kavita Bhatt, let's keep applauding at the back. Snehlata Yadav, Shikha Singhal, Bhavna Rawat, Dhruv Sharma, Lokesh Soni. From the Department of Electrical Engineering, I request the following candidates to kindly be in sequence. Dr. Sombir Kundu, Dr. Vivek Saxena, Chetan Kanchan Bala Rai, Shubham Gupta. From Electrical Engineering, now I call upon Dr. Sombir Kundu, Dr. Vivek Saxena, Chetna, then we have Kanchan Bala Rai, Shubham Gupta, moving on to the Environmental Engineering Department, Miss Deepika, Sakshi and Sonam. From Environmental Engineering, we have Miss Deepika, Miss Sakshi, Miss Sonam. From Department of IT, we have Dr. Deepika Warshane, from Mechanical Engineering, I request Mohit Vishnoi, Niranjan Sahu and Anand Kushwaha to be there. I request Mohit Vishnoi to come forward to receive the award from Mechanical Engineering. Niranjan Sahu. Then we have Anand Kushwaha. From Department of Physics, we have Dr. Yash Tayal, Dr. Kartika Maheshwari, and Yash Pathak to be ready. From Physics Department, I call upon Dr. Yasha Tayal, please. Then we have Dr. Kartika Maheshwari, please. Yash Pathak from Physics Department. From DSM Department, we have Dr. Mohit Beniwal, Dr. Vishali Kaushik. We have few additions of the recipients. From Department of USME, we have Mehak Nanda. From Department of Computer Science and Engineering, we have Dr. Amrita Sisodia. Mehak Nanda. Dr. Amrita Sisodia. Department of Physics, Dr. Richa. Dr. Richa is here? Achha, okay, fine. Varnam Sehrawat, Shivangi Rajput, Himang Sagar, Rajesh Gupta. Now I call upon the recipients from Biotech Department, Rahul Tripathi, Dr. Prakash Chandra, and Anusha Chhabra. You're here from IT. Rajesh Gupta from Applied Physics. Department of Biotechnology. Next we have Rahul Tripathi. Dr. Prakash Chandra. From Department of IT, Ms. Anusha Chhabra. I think the spirit of applauding everyone's effort should not die. We are almost in completion of receiving the awards. These moments are special for everyone coming in the last and in first place. So I request everyone to keep the charge high of the house. After that, in the end, we have two more recipients joined us in the premier category, Ashutosh Mishra and Ranjit Singh. I request them to kindly come on stage to receive the award. Ashutosh Mishra and Ranjit Singh. A big round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. Thank you for having patience for so long for all of us. So finally, it's big congratulations to all the recipients of Premier Research Award and Commendable Research Award category. So these awards celebrate the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the drive for innovation, and unwavering commitment to the excellence that these remarkable individuals embody. And it is often said that every great discovery starts with a single spark, an idea that is nurtured by unwavering dedication and ignited by passion. So today I am profoundly honored to stand before a group of remarkable individuals who exemplify this truth. These are the visionaries who challenge the limits of what is possible, turning obstacles into opportunities, ideas into groundbreaking realities, all through their brilliance and the courage to defy the ordinary. So, moving on, we have next view sharing session, for which I would like to request Shruti Agrawal from Applied Mathematics, who is a Premier Research Awardee, to kindly join us on stage to share her views. Shruti Agrawal is here. By the time she joins, we have next Pratik Resham from Civil Engineering, the Commendable Research Awardee this time. Meanwhile, I request anyone who wants to share his views and motivate all of us with their journey, you are open for that.
Good morning, all of you. I am truly honored to speak and share my views at the Research and Innovation Excellence Awards 2024 ceremony. This recognition to the awardees is not just a personal achievement, but a testament to the university's unwavering commitment to fostering a vibrant research environment. It is a reflection of how our institution encourages scholars and faculty members to push the boundaries of knowledge and strive for excellence. This initiative to recognize and celebrate research achievements is profoundly motivating. It instills in us the drive to delve deeper, to question further, and to work harder. Awards like these are not merely accolades, but catalysts that propel us towards greater heights. They challenge us to elevate our work, knowing that our efforts are valued and our contributions make a significant impact. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Head Department of Civil Engineering, Professor K.C. Tiwari, Sir, and Dean IRD, Professor Anil Kumar Sahu, Sir. Their support and vision play a crucial role in creating an environment where research can thrive. It is this collaborative spirit and institutional backing that set our university apart, fostering a culture of research and innovation that is truly exemplary. Today, as we celebrate this achievement, we also honor Teachers' Day. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to all the teachers and faculty members, especially my supervisor, Professor Shilpa Paul Ma'am. Your guidance, wisdom, and unwavering support are the bedrock of our academic success. As the renowned American philosopher and educational reformer John Dewey once said, "Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself." Your dedication embodies this philosophy, shaping not just our academic paths, but our lives. Congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you once again, DTU family, for the continuous support that drives us to excel. Together, we are not just advancing in our fields, but also setting a benchmark for excellence in research and innovation. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik. Next, we have Shruti Agrawal to share her views with you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Shruti Agrawal from Department of Applied Mathematics, DTU. First of all, I would like to thank DTU for giving me this opportunity and this recognition in the form of Research Excellence Awards. I have given award in the Premier Research category this year. Research Excellence Awards is important to me because it has helped me in emerging as a good researcher and pursuing good quality research. I am truly grateful for the opportunities provided by DTU and the department to grow as a researcher. Lastly, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank my mentor and my supervisor, Dr. Satyabrata Adhikari, for his constant support and guidance throughout my PhD journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Now, may I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Prateek Sharma, to kindly felicitate our Chief Guest, Professor Prem Vrat, Pro-Chancellor, Professor of Eminence and Chief Mentor at NorthCap University, Gurugram, with a token of our gratitude. Thank you, sir. We are overwhelmed with your presence in this Research Awards ceremony throughout as a Chief Guest. A big round of applause for our Chief Guest of the day, Professor Prem Vrat. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and joining us. Thank you very much. Moving on towards vote of thanks, I would like to introduce with you our Associate Dean IRD, Professor Roli, who is working as professor in the discipline of Polymer Science and Chemical Technology, Department of Applied Chemistry, DTU. In addition to the academics, she is holding position of Associate Dean, Industrial Research and Development. She has published 60 SCI research papers in Indian and international peer-reviewed journals. There are 3 patents in her credit also, and she has guided 9 PhDs, 11 MTechs, and 35 BTech thesis projects, and had been essential part in the execution of this ceremony for all of us for more than 10-15 days. Now I request Professor Roli, Associate Dean IRD, to kindly extend vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you present here. As the curtain ends on the Research and Innovation Excellence Award 2024, it is a moment of reflection and gratitude. The journey of this day has been a testament to the unwavering commitment to the excellence and collaborative spirit that characterize our esteemed university. We are grateful to Professor Prateek Sharma, Vice Chancellor DTU, for his support and guidance. His visionary leadership and steadfast support has been the cornerstone of this event success. The gracious presence of Professor Prem Vrat, Pro-Chancellor, Professor of Eminence, Chief Mentor of NorthCap University, Gurugram, has been the source of inspiration and encouragement. His insightful address has left an indelible mark on the minds of young researchers and the entire DTU fraternity. We extend our heartfelt thanks for his gracious presence and valuable contribution to this gathering. We are grateful to Professor Madhusudan Singh, Registrar DTU, Professor S. Indu, and Professor Rinku Sharma for their gracious presence, all-time support, and valuable suggestion for organizing this event. My gratitude extends to Professor Anil Kumar Sahu, Dean IRD, whose support and sage voice have been instrumental in the seamless execution of this particular function. His dedication to fostering a culture of research and innovation is deeply appreciated. The meticulous evaluation of the Research Excellence Award applications by the scrutiny committee members, Professor Neeta Pandey, Professor Alka Singh, Professor C.P. Singh, Professor Dheeraj Joshi, Professor Purnima Mittal, Professor Anil Kumar from Applied Chemistry, Professor Anil Kumar from Mechanical Engineering, Professor Raju Sarkar, Professor Anjana Gupta, Professor Minish Rijit, Professor Saurabh Agrawal, Dr. Praveen Kumar, Dr. Ashmita Das, Dr. Virendra Ranga, Dr. Mohan Singh Mehta, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Mishra, Dr. Sumit Kale, Dr. Nidhi Maheshwari, Dr. Bharti Singh, Dr. Anurag Goyal, Dr. Pawan Singh Mehra, Dr. Rajiv Kumar has been a crucial aspect of this award ceremony. My heartfelt thanks to all the committee members. I just wanted to give the just give the statistic about the number of application or number of paper we received. 551 papers we have received and 441 papers has been awarded for the different category of commendable and the premium research award. We are thankful to Professor Praveer Kumar, Dr. Anil Kumar from Mechanical Engineering and Dr. M. Jaishree Madri for evaluating the application of citation awards. And this year we have received 31 applications in the category of the citation awards. We are grateful to Professor C.P. Singh, Professor Anil Kumar from Mechanical Engineering, Professor Yasha Hasija and Dr. Rajiv Kumar from Computer Science and Engineering for scrutinizing the application of Innovation Award. This year we have received 12 applications in the category of Innovation Award. Out of 12, we have given 4 Innovation Awards. We are grateful to editorial team, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Mishra and Dr. Parnita, Dr. Rajiv Kumar and Dr. Manish Jain for timely compilation of the Research and Innovation Excellence Award, compendium and preparation of the certificate. We are thankful to all the organizing committee members. Special thanks to Professor Yasha Hasija and her team, Professor Rahul Kataria and his team, Professor Rinku Sharma and her team, Professor S. Indu and her team, Professor Amit Shrivastava and his team, Professor Rijwan and his team, Professor Nirin Dev and Account Office, Professor Raju Sarkar, Dr. Raghavan Gautam, Dr. Anil Kumar, Deputy Registrar for logistic support to organize this event. Last but not the least, I am thankful to my PhD scholars, Ms. Dan Kaur, Mr. Jiten Kumar, Ms. Megha Boj, Ms. Manu Dhiman, Mr. Dharmen and staff of IRD, Ms. Nisha Panchal and Mr. Saurabh, who worked continuously from past 15 days to make this program successful. I think we have to give big round of applause to all these research scholars as well as the staff. Lastly, we acknowledge the hard work of all the researchers and innovators whose dedication to their work inspire all of us. Many congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you for making the Research Innovation Excellence Award a resounding success. Your achievement reminds us that through perseverance and the creativity, we can tackle the most complex challenge of our life. Happy Teachers' Day to all educators who continue to make a difference every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruli ma'am. Once again, I wholeheartedly extend my deepest thanks and warmest congratulations to each of you for the honors you have earned through your hard work and dedication. Happy Teachers' Day.